Sheikh, how long can you delay Maghrib for after you break your fast?
You mean Maghrib prayer, you mean?
Maghrib prayer, yes, man.
Okay. Maghrib prayer is just like as the breaking of the fast. They both have to be as early as possible. For the Prophet of Allah, he mentioned a hadith which is almost a duplicate for the Maghrib prayer. My ummah is upon good as long as they don't delay their breakfast. That means they hasten their breakfast of the fasted. And also, my ummah is upon good as long as they don't delay their Maghrib prayer until the stars appears. So both hadith are the same. So we have to make sure that we implement both. Fast, breaking of the fast, and fast as well praying. But you could say to me, what is the time that is by which the Maghrib would finish, and then you'll be sinned? That's a different case. I'm talking about the best now. So the best for the time of the Maghrib, it's until the disappearance of the twilight. That's the appearance of the Isha. The disappearance of the twilight, then that it means is the red light. The red light, when it disappears, that means the Maghrib had finished. And the Maghrib, it's about almost, don't leave more than 1 hour, even less than an hour, 55 minutes after the Maghrib adhan, then you will be safe, inshallah. I'm talking about UK country.
أحسن الله إليكم شيخنا.